Good afternoon, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm going to give you one very good strategy for identifying a multi-bagger stock on intraday time basis. Because if you get that condition, if that condition is suitable, then you are going to get a stock which will give you nearly 3 to 4% on an intraday basis, so that if it is in a future and option time frame, you can trade in options. It will give you good money. So let us see what is that. Now first I am talking about the square root of the previous day. That is the first step what we are going to do. Why we are doing the square root? Actually, when we are doing square root, taking the square root, it is normalizing the price data. Purpose is reduces the large numbers, maintains relative price differences, manages price volatility and compact data representation. Next step, what we are going to do, after taking the square root of that, we are going to multiply by 66.66%. You must be wondering, what is this 66.66%? It is relates to angles to the time cycle in trading. For example, 90 degree is the key angle. Gann theory signifies significant time shift. What we are going to do is, we are taking the 66.66% of 90 degree, which is equivalent to 60 degree. Actually, 60 degree is a time interval or cycle where potential market momentum shift will take place. That means anything above 45 degree, that is positive. When 60 degree means it is velocity and acceleration. So we are using this for breakout of the stocks. Say, for example, they may break out of 5 days. It may be 5 days high, and it can break out of 3 days high, like that. If you get that type of stocks, you will get a significant trend change will be there. 60 minutes after key event, open or breakout may signal trend change. We are identifying those type of stocks, and we are going to do that. For that, first we are going to take the square root of the closing price previous day, and then we are multiplying by it. So that is the 66.66% estimates the time cycle for momentum change. Okay. Key takeaway is 66.66% is angles, Gann, and time cycles. 90 degree is the quarter of the circle, trend bar momentum indicator. 60 degree is result of calculation. What we are getting is 60 minutes potential market shift. That is an hourly basis. Key event trigger. So these are the applications what we are going to do. Next what we are going to do, after multiplying by 66.66%, we are getting the percentage. I'll go to that later. In coming slides, I'm going to explain it to you. First, we are considering the time factor as 5 minutes. We are seeing the 5-minute time frame. We are seeing for micro breakouts. Once we identify the stocks in that And we are coming to the 5-minute time frame to see the trend continuation. So 90 degree is the major pivot or directional change. So these are for intraday, we are going to use the 5-minute chart. What is the concept here is 66.66% and 5-minute candles aim to find rotational shifts. These shifts indicate change in price momentum. The derived level act as a pivot. It is a potential breakout or reversal point. So why these things we are considering is price movements align with angles and time. You've already noticed how my pi, how my square root, everything is working so well, and repeatedly I'm getting in the comment section, they are making profits. I hope you people, if you would have followed the rules and discipline, you would have made profits. This alignment helps to forecast breakouts. We are identifying the breakout stocks when they are, if we identify such type of stocks, you are getting a momentum shift, momentum. A breakout is predicted when price and time align. This alignment suggests favorable condition. First thing what we are going to do is, we are going to normalize the price. We are taking the square root of the closing price of the previous day. And then we are multiplying by 66.66%. The normalized price is then multiplied by 66.66. This applies the angular time concept. And then we are calculating to percentage conversion. The resulting number is converted into a percentage, and the percentage will be added for a level upside to the closing price, and we are going to minus from the closing price to get a support level and resistance level. When the price breaks out above that level, on 5-minute time frame, a candle close on the 5-minute time frame, it will result in it indicates the breakout of the stock. That type of stocks, they will be breaking out of from the range actually on the daily time frame. They will be break condition is, let me go to the condition level calculation. This is the how we are going to calculate the levels. Here what we are condition, 5-minute candle crosses the level. That is the condition. Then only we are going to take the position. That this provides validation for taking a long position. Why we are using this strategy is trading strategy, maximize the momentum. Prioritize entries with confirmed, powerful price movement. So there is no look back. You are entering into the trade with a confirmed, powerful price movement. And the risk is very minimal because we are filtering out unreliable signals using a 5-day high confirmation. That means the price has to break out above the 5-day highs. That is a weekly high, you can say. That is a breakout, potential breakout. Enhances the objectivity, employ a data-driven, and it is systematic approach over subjective analysis. We are not just by seeing the price levels and doing it. We are confirming with all these procedures, with the angles. Okay, so that's how it is. So the key components of again I'm going to repeat it because it has to go into your memory. you have to memorize this. The first thing we are going to take a square root, that is normalizing the price normalization. Then we are multiplying by 66.66%. Why? 66.66% is the percentage of 90 degree, which will be corresponding to 60 degree angle. Breakout level derivation, how we are going to do that? We are multiplying it, square rooting it, and multiplying by 66.66, and then taking the percentage and the derived value will be added to the added to the previous day closing price. And also we are selecting that type of stocks we will keep that type of stocks in our watch list. You can also create a screener for that. If you create a screener, you can get that type of stocks. So here I am talking about the trading clock I've made myself, because our market only runs for 6.5 hours, 6 hours 30 minutes. So we cannot use more than that. Once I'm going to explain in my next video about this clock, just look at it. You can also construct the clock like this. And in between angles are, I'll show you, 4.5 degree angle increments. Why? 4.5 degree, one angle increment is related to 5-minute candle. So if the price changes above 4.5 degree, then the momentum shift will happen. That's what I've discussed in my 5-minute trading strategy. Breakout of the 5-minute candle, making an higher high. So this angles will confirm me for the entry. You can also create this type of angle. Simple, I'll make another video to show how to do that. Okay. Let me go back to the chart and show you the stocks which came under radar today, how they have worked. Kotak Bank had come in the screener. And let me go to the first today. Here you can see the price has moved above 5 days high. Price has moved above the 5 days high. Since it has moved above the 5 days high, that is a confirmation. And let us do ourselves. See, this is the closing price of the 2079 is the closing price. Let us calculate it. Let me take the calculator. 2079. First, what we are doing? Normalizing the price data. That means we are taking the square root. When we take the square root, I am getting this value. I am multiplying it by 66.66. That is equal to, I am getting this value. So I need to get percentage of this. If I click on the percentage button, I am getting this value. Let me write down 30.39. Okay. So what is the closing price of the 2079? I'm adding to the value of the closing price of the previous day. I am getting 2109. Let me adjust this to coordinate 2109. What you can do is, if you identify this type of stocks, see, you can keep an alert. It is 2109. Is it right? Yes. Okay. Next up is, you've got this stock. You can make your screener. When you get the stocks, you have to be on the 5-minute chart. Here, on the 5-minute chart, listen to me carefully. You are getting this stock. It is a multi-bagger stocks you will get. Plenty of opportunity. Plenty of opportunity. This is very, very profitable strategy. So this 5-minute candle has closed above this line, right? What was the line calculated? You know this, 2109. How will you take the trade? So same thing, first apply this from the closing price of the previous day. Take this fib tool. Let me take in an ulta way. It's not a fib tool. I've made it for GAN 3 market move cycle. Okay. From here to here, I am applying the. So this is my circle. Okay. Let me, 1 minute. Let me go to the, let me go to 1 minute. Not able, yes. I'll copy this clock. This is the clock which I made. I'll go back to the chart again and I'm pasting it. These are the, yes. Oh, it is not pasting. Okay. Anyway, some problem is there. Leave it. So just take the, if it is not pasting, you do not have anything, you do not worry. I'll show you. I'm taking the angle and 4.5 degree angle increment is positive above the 180. See, already it went up to 75 degree. Let it go. You need to wait. After some time, it will consolidate. It continued. This is a beautiful confirmation of this stock with this calculation. Why? It is not subjective. It is based on the mathematical calculations relating to GAN angle, that is 60 degree. Everything has been considered. You can see on your own the Kotak Bank from here. Has given 4.07%. Immediately after getting the this level, you could have gone for out of the money call option. That is 1:3 is there, no? You could have gone for 2200 call option. Even that will be positive. It will not be very costly and you can afford it. So April month, 2200 call option. See, it has started from 15 rupees. It has rallied up to 58 rupees. I think it is 400 or 500 per lot. Kotak Mahindra, Kotak Mahindra lot size. So 400 shares. So what you are getting, even if you would have entered around 25, you would have got 25 rupees. Let me clear. 25 into 400 is equal to 10,000 you could have made in this. This is, isn't it, multi-bagger? So like this, if you make the screener, or you can become a member to my channel, paying a nominal price of 200 rupees. I can give you the screener in my next video. You have to message me on the comment section if you want the screener. So you can utilize this, and I've explained you the concept behind this strategy. When this concept is working, you can utilize this and you can ask me for the messaging of this. Okay. See, this is how, this is very beautiful. Like this, REC had come in the screener. Let me go back. IGL stocks. IGL had come in the screener. Indraprastha gas. Because it was huge gap up, it has not worked. And REC had come in the screener. Rural electrification. You can see how it has moved from 432 to 444. That is how much percentage? You can see the percentage is 2.78%. That is more than enough. So like some other stocks have also come, you will get stocks in the screeners, and you must understand the concept. Concept is breakout strategy. How we are seeing for that? It is a confirmed thing, not a subjective analysis. It is based on the mathematical calculations. You can understand, and you just calculate and find the stocks for yourself. You can do that, or you can become ask for the memberships for the one video. I can get you that screener for you people. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.